TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day, and we got quite a red market out there, folks. Things accelerating throughout the day. I got an hourly chart up here. Let's drill it down to the 15 minutes. But we got S&Ps down 80 points right now, 3,038. You see the acceleration? Things really start at about 3:30 in the morning. We were as high as 31.20. The market really begins to fall out of bed right at the opening bell. 9:45 this morning. We're at 3,100 within the span of from 9:45, call it almost 10 o'clock this morning. By the time you reach almost noon, you dropped to the tune of 80 S&P points. The low, 3,019. Talk about some volatility, though, because look to the upside. We then trade up more than a full percent from 3,019, up more than 30 points to 3,053, down 20 points. We'll see where we end up. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. Quite the volatile session. NASDAQ and Qs under 10,000, trading at 99.76. Got the Dow off 757 points, 25,266. Oil trading lower. EIA numbers for oil this morning, 10:30 a.m. There's your acceleration. There it is. We get the oil numbers. Nonetheless, pretty close to in line. I think there was a build of 1 million plus something barrels like that, 1.4 million barrels, I think. For crude continues to drop more than $2 from $39.50 down to $37.50. We're back above 38. Looking at crude, gold contract down $5 at $17.76 right now. Had been as high as $17.96. Silver, talk about some volatility early in the session for silver. You go from 18 to below $17.50. Currently trading at $17.68. In terms of what else we have happening across the market, it's about trade and it's about COVID. We'll start with the COVID numbers. Florida, just today, another record spike, 5,508 cases. The state reported that almost 16% of all tests came back positive Wednesday, up from 10.82% on Tuesday. It's an acceleration, folks, and it's going to start hitting businesses, and it's going to start hitting the market, and you're seeing that today. The S&P is down about 3 points right now at 3,029. We're pushing the lows. You see, even since we came on the air, folks, at 2 o'clock, the S&P's just dropped almost 10 points. There's going to be some quick action. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. We got our man Dave White coming up live with the Power Trading Hour. Tom O'Brien, my dad, live from 3 till 4. And with that, the VIX back above 35. So much for summer trading. VIX at 35.78. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White coming up live right now. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.